Now, your Chris 6 weather forecast with meteorologist Tom Harris.
And the big thunderstorms early this morning may have forced a woman to make an error. She drove her car off this bridge and landed into a creek. That happened in North Dallas. Now, they eventually had to do a swift water rescue to help her because the water was up to the windows. She called her family in a panic. Fortunately, her family called 911 and she was checked out by the folks in the ambulance, and then she was sent on her way, which is pretty amazing considering how far down the creek that car went. But we did see some big showers and thunderstorms across the area overnight. Some areas picking up 2 to 3 inches of rain. This is what it'll look like with our time-lapse camera in Kingsville. Cleared out very nicely this afternoon. Our current temperature out there with mostly clear skies is 49 degrees. Still breezy. The winds are out of the west-northwest at about 25 miles per hour. Now, our daytime high today, 54. Normally this time of year, about 67. Low this morning of 47 degrees. Now, as far as rainfall, picked up about 1.3 inches of rain. That definitely helps us out with the deficit for the year. 51 is the current temperature in Rockport, 50 in Orange Grove, 50 in Alice. Now, these temperatures about 25 to 30 degrees colder than we saw yesterday at this time. So definitely some big changes with that system. Our peak wind gust today, 35 miles per hour. The same for Rockport. Alice had a gust about 33, 37 in Kingsville. So we still have the wind advisory for a little bit longer. That's until 6 o'clock, as well as a gale warning, small craft advisories. Not a good time to be out on the water, but you can see the clearing starting to come in our direction. Now, the showers and thunderstorms right again across parts of North Texas, also East Texas. So this is going to be the primary threat over the next couple of hours. Also travel to the west. Very difficult along I-10. It had to be shut down, as well as I-20, as they've picked up about 4 to 6 inches of snow. Now, you can see the heaviest rainfall was right along the coastal areas. Here in the Corpus Christi area, some regions picked up 2, 3, up to 4 inches of rain. Our inland locations right along the watershed, as we mentioned, they did get some rain, but not as much as we really needed. Now, this storm system is going to lift out. We're going to see improving weather as we head into New Year's Day. The future tracker indicating that storm will move out of here. We'll see clear skies, a little bit of cloud cover as we head into your Saturday. But as far as tonight, it's going to be a chilly evening. Temperatures dropping down into the upper 30s. We'll warm up a little bit more as we head into your Friday, looking for a high right around 60 degrees. Now, if you're heading out to any of the festivities, as far as the fireworks, you're going to need a jacket. It's going to be a little bit chilly. Temperatures right around 38. Then for New Year's Day, mostly sunny skies, a little bit warmer, about 63 degrees. Here's what we can expect as we move throughout the next several days. Weekend, Saturday and Sunday looks pretty good. Temperatures will be in the lower to mid 60s, then a gradual warming trend next week. Paul?